Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are cooking garlic butter roasted mushrooms. Now, how can that be bad? Garlic and butter, those are the two best things to add to anything. And on top of roasted mushrooms, well, that's what we're making. So here's what you're gonna need to make this. Let me show you real quick. You're gonna need a cast iron skillet. We're using Baby Portabella mushrooms. Yes, Portobellas. Babies, but these are better than regular mushrooms. You're also going to need a little bit of olive oil. You're going to need some salt. We are going to season with a parmesan blend. This is roasted garlic and cheese. So if you have this, fine. If you don't, that's all right too, but we're just going to add this. You're going to need minced garlic, parmesan cheese, and we're actually going to top it off with a little fresh parmesan cheese. We have a grater at the end. We're going to put some on. So here's how you do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our olive oil and just get a little in the bottom of the pan here. We're going to set this aside. Then we're going to take our Baby Portabellas. You're going to pull the stem out of each mushroom. It's kind of satisfying or gratifying pulling that out because it just feels cool. So kind of just strategically locate them in the pan here. Be careful because when you yank these out, it could break your mushroom. So you want to kind of hold on to the base of the mushroom. And you're going to put them obviously top side down in the pan. Well, see, I broke one. It's easy to break, but we're not going to throw away a good portabella. All right, so you can save these, cook them further. There's nothing wrong with these. They're definitely edible, but we're going to discard them for this purpose. Now, in each mushroom, you're going to take your minced garlic and you're going to put a little bit in each one. Now, when I say a little bit, kind of depends on how much you like garlic. We want to try to keep the garlic off the bottom of the pan because it's just going to burn. So, again, a little bit of minced garlic in each mushroom here. You can get as much in that one. You want to treat them all equally here. Don't want any mushrooms filing a grievance because they didn't get enough garlic. Okay, now we got our garlic in there. Actually, this one looks like it needs a little more. I forgot one thing. We're going to need some melted butter. So once the garlic's in, we're basically going to pour a little bit of butter in each mushroom. All right, now that we got our butter poured in each mushroom, let me give these a little bit of salt. So just a little bit of salt on each one. And again, you're salting to taste here. And we're using this Parmesan blend by Dean Jacobs. You can buy it on Amazon. Again, if you have it, fine. If you don't have it, that's fine too. But we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of this over all the mushrooms. And we're going to get these in the oven. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. So we're going to cook them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to put on some Parmesan. We're going to try and sprinkle this in the mushroom as much as possible. We don't want it on the pan because it's just going to burn. And then as soon as we do that, we're going to put some fresh Parmesan on. We're going to grate that. And then we're going to cook it for about 3 to 5 more minutes until they are nice and crispy looking. Alrighty, so we have our mushrooms ready. Let's get these in the oven. Like I said, the oven's been preheating to 400 degrees. So 15 minutes just like this. Let's get them on in here. Alright, it's been 15 minutes, so we're going to get these out of the oven. Oh wow, look at those. They're cooking nicely. Look at the butter pooled up in there. So we're going to take our grated Parmesan and we're going to kind of put a generous heap on each mushroom here. And we're going to try and keep it to the mushroom because again, you get this on the pan, although those are good crispies at the end, it does have a tendency to burn. So we're just going to heap this up real nice. All right, and like I said, we're going to do something special and add a little bit of grated Parmesan on the top. So I want to get these really close together so I don't have extra cheese laying on the pan that's going to burn. So we're going to get these as close as possible. Now we're going to grate some fresh Parmesan over the top. Not too much, just a nice little coat. There we go. Now we're going to put these back in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes until the Parmesan is nice and melted and crispy. So let's get them out of here. Look at that. Those look amazing. I want to eat one now, but I will have burns on the inside of my mouth for a long time, and I don't want that. So we'll wait. These are going to be amazing. All right, so we've let these set for about 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes. I don't know. I'm trying not to burn my mouth, but these look so delicious, I can't wait any longer. So we're going to give these a try. Let me try one of these little guys here. Look at this one here. That's perfect. Full of cheese, full of garlic. This is about to be goodness. Hopefully, I'm not going to destroy my mouth here, but let's give it a try. It's hot. Okay. Wow. While I'm burning every part of the inside of my mouth here, I can taste the garlicky, buttery goodness of that. These, I'm going to give these 11 on a 10 scale. They're 11. Way, way up here. These are delicious. So garlic, butter, roasted, Baby Portabella mushrooms are absolutely the bomb. These things are the best. I hope you try them out. I hope yours turn out as good as mine did. I'm going to smash the rest of these here. Actually, and by the rest, I mean, I'm going to have to draw a line here. I'm going to eat these 6. My wife's going to eat the other 7. That's 7 and 7, so it's got to be even. But click that thumbs up, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends if you want to do that. I appreciate you stopping. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.